Is your PC or laptop running slower than usual? Well, you're not alone. Over time, computers can get bogged down with unnecessary files and programs, making them feel sluggish and unresponsive. But fear not, in this video we will show you 5 ways to make your PC or laptop faster in 2023, that also without spending a penny on upgrades. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Uninstall unused programs. Have you ever downloaded a program, used it once, and then forgotten all about it? These kind of programs can take up valuable space on your computer and slow it down. To uninstall unused programs, go to the Start menu and open the Control panel. Then click on Programs and Features or Add or Remove Programs depending on your version of Windows. Find the program you want to uninstall, select it, and click Uninstall. Number 2. Disable startup programs. When you turn on your computer, it may automatically launch several programs, causing it to take longer to boot up. To disable some of these startup programs, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab to see a list of programs that launch at startup. Right-click on any program you don't need and select Disable. Number 3. Clean up your hard drive. Your computer stores all kinds of files, including temporary files and old downloads that you may no longer need. To clean up your hard drive, go to the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Select the drive you want to clean up and click OK. Disk Cleanup will scan your drive and show you a list of files you can delete. Select the files you want to delete and click OK. Number 4. Defragment your hard drive. Over time, the files on your hard drive can become fragmented, meaning they are stored in multiple locations instead of one. This can slow down your PC as it takes longer to find and read these files. To defragment your hard drive, go to the Start menu and type Defragment and Optimize drives in the search bar. Select the drive you want to defragment and click Optimize. And finally, number 5. Disable visual effects. While the fancy visual effects in Windows may look cool, they can also slow down your computer. To disable some of these effects, go to the Start menu and type Performance Options in the search bar. Click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows option. Then in the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance or choose whichever visual effects you want to keep. And everyone, there you have it, 5 ways to make your PC or laptop faster in 2023. By following these simple steps, you can breathe new life into your computer and make it run like new again. Anyways, if you found this helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Also, do let us know if our video actually helped your PC run more smoothly. That would be great to know. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.